Well, I grabbed a valve cover gasket for the Ford Escape, which will be a future video. And next up, went to Granite State Glass to get the, well, this. This metal plate that was used before replaced with the OEM glass. So, kind of important. Yeah, they just kind of like epoxied it there. So the guys had to use like a crowbar to get it off of the car. And they wouldn't let me record them doing it, unfortunately, but it definitely needed it. But yeah, isn't this great? Like the vinyl is finally off, and it looks so much better now, even though it's already dirty because it's winter time. But still running the all-season tires here, not for long. Yeah, look how nice this looks inside now. So she's definitely coming together. Having the vinyl off obviously makes it turn into a real car. And look how good the paint is. What I was told is that this thing is actually covered. They vinyl wrapped it upon taking delivery, so it's been wrapped since day one, basically. So the paint's in excellent condition. Yeah, just huge improvement. Ford of Lebanon did a good job. There you go. Yeah, the best they could, given the situation there. So I'm going to get it taped for 24 hours so it holds, but they said it shouldn't leak, but they can't guarantee that it won't leak. Alright, now time to get our winter tires put on, the Excise 3s from Michelin. Alright, time to get tires put on this thing. So these were okay, but there's about 30,000 miles on these. It's front wheel drive, so the rears are slightly better, but not good enough for me. Yeah, it needs it. So, and here's the rear window and the light. So it isn't quite sealed. Yeah, they were right. I mean, they really can guarantee it's not going to leak. I'm actually going to look at the suspension while we're here. I'm just curious. Give it a look-see. They said brakes were good. We actually have a pretty good rust there. I'm going to reference this video later. And now, looks like the muffler actually is pretty rusty. So are the tie rods. They were saying the rear shock is seeping, but I actually don't really see that too badly there. But it looks like too hard of a job. Looks pretty good for a 250,000-mile car. Front left. I see any seeping. Alright, well, that's that. So we have our Excise 3s put on the car now. Ride home was great. These things are awesome. They actually behave less like winter tires and more like just normal touring all-season tires. Very little road noise, and miles per gallon hasn't really changed too much. So overall, pretty happy. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.